Hi, and welcome to our video on choosing the perfect affiliate product. As an affiliate marketer, one of the most important decisions you'll make is which product you want to promote. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is the best fit for you? Let us now discuss the important points one should consider when selecting the perfect product to promote, as well as what I believe to be the wise selection for new affiliates who are trying to make their first up to $100 a day or consistently generating $10,000 per month. The first step in choosing a perfect affiliate product is to think about your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Maybe you're unsure. I would suggest you consider what is familiar. If you wish to have great success with the past system, who do you know best? Do you say yourself? If we target people who are similar, we have the advantage of knowing potentially the wants and needs that contribute to the buying decision. The question then becomes, which is better to focus on, wants or needs? You might have said needs, but unfortunately needs are often not the primary driving force in purchasing decisions. Most people will buy what they want almost every time rather than meet their needs. Ask yourself, what are my interests and what do I want? People want to be happy, they want to feel good, people want to lose fat if they're overweight, people want to look good, and they want to fit into their community. If they're in poor health, they want to be healthier. This is all good news for us as marketers because of the three types of products: health, wealth, and relationships. Health products appeal to the largest group of people. Although many gurus will tell you to niche down, is this the best option starting out? No and yes. You want to be specific in the type of person you serve, but as a new affiliate, you are at much better odds when choosing products that appeal to a majority of people you will interact with in your life throughout your day. Every person will be at some point in their life a prospect for a health product, which cannot be said about the other two categories. So consider choosing a health product when starting out. By understanding your audience, you can select a product that will be relevant and valuable to them. Look for products that are averaging more than $200 per sale to more easily reach your goal of up to $100 per day. The product should be established in the affiliate marketplace as a high converting offer with a solid record of sales on the affiliate platform, which can be found by filtering searches by ranking in the marketplace you're using. My suggestion would be clickbank.com due to the large number of health products and no requirement to be approved for most products, as this can be very difficult when just starting out and you have no record of success to show the product creators. Next, consider the quality of product. Is it something that you would use or recommend to a friend or a family member? It's important to only promote products that you believe in and that offer good value to the customer. Another important factor is the company behind the product. Do they have a good reputation? Are they reliable and trustworthy? You want to make sure that you're promoting a product from a company that has a solid track record. Finally, take a look at the commission structure and any additional resources or support that the company provides to affiliates. You want to make sure that you're being fairly compensated for your efforts and that you have the resources you need to effectively promote the product. By considering these factors, you can confidently choose a perfect affiliate product that aligns with your audience, values, and goals. Thanks for watching and happy marketing. I'm Peyton, and have a great day.